Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Gemini. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Do keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin now. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Gems, let's begin our reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Gems, if you're new here, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. So the cards I have on the table right now are the Three of Swords, Six of Swords, Nine of Swords, the Devil, the Empress, the Three of Pentacles, the Emperor, Page of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles. Bottom of my deck, I have the Strength card. Alright, so from what I see here, there is a feminine here who's kind of decided, I'm not really sure about this connection. I'm not sure whether I want to have any more progress or growth or anything in this connection anymore. They kind of healed their broken heart, I think, already left this connection, moved off to a happier place in their life. They realized maybe this connection is not worth worrying about anymore. I'm not going to spend any more sleepless nights here. I'm releasing this toxicity. Maybe there was a third party attached to this, but this Empress right here in the center has decided, I'm going to work on my own well-being, on my career maybe, or take care of myself. And do positive things in my life. I'm not going to stress about something which is not right. But now I do see an Emperor here in the upright now. Somebody who wants to now take back control, maybe come in with an apology. Okay, so we'll clarify these cards, Gems. Let's start with some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could say something to each other right now, what that would be. So Gemini and their person spirit. Gemini and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Gemini and their person. Let's take a few from here. Gemini and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. Gemini and their person. All right. And I'm going to take a couple from here. Messages from the heart. Gemini and their person. All right, good to go. Gems, your first card here says, aren't you tired of overthinking and being so hard on yourself? You can deliver yourself out of the pain, fear, and frustration, and you will see what I've seen in you all along. So maybe there was an Empress who really tried and struggled to get this relationship, going, but maybe the Emperor was not ready. Maybe they had self-worth issues or going through some, insecurities of their own. And I think it's come to a point where this Empress has kind of given up and asking their person, aren't you tired of overthinking and being so hard on yourself? I have always known that you had the capacity of being that Emperor. Your coded cryptic messages and failure to answer questions drives me up the wall. If you're worried that the karmic is going to see, just call me and tell me the fucking truth. It's the least I deserve. So yes, there could have been a third party situation here. So all this Empress said, you give me honesty and truth. That's all I want. And finally, I think got fed up and healed themselves and moved on. My mind is racing and my heart is breaking with all the doubts and insecurities your inconsistent behavior has created. I crave peace right now. My soul just feels so unsettled. Yes, maybe finally I think the person didn't give them the clarity. I think they got it for themselves. They've managed to heal their broken heart and move towards that peace that they were seeking. Next card says, I hurt myself and I chose to keep peace and enjoy time with you. I should have told you the truth about what was bothering me. Keeping it all inside me has been eating away at me. So maybe for some time this Empress waited. They waited to keep the peace and saying, hey, one day, my person will be the Emperor and, stand up for this connection. And Now they feel I should have just maybe left earlier. Why did I waste so much time? Loving you is the most natural yet scary thing I have ever done. I didn't know what love was until our fated meeting. I pray that God will unite us soon because you are my destiny. I love you till the end of times. I think there is an emperor here who's in the upright now. They figured out that who their true empress is. I need some time to collect my thoughts. I didn't run away. I didn't run from you. I ran from myself. It's all down to my deep fear of rejection and insecurities. That's exactly what this first card says. Aren't you tired of being hard on yourself? Deliver yourself out of your pain, fear and frustration. Same thing this person is saying, that it all comes down to my own deep fear of rejection and my insecurities. What I am most in need of, you cannot give me. Alright, so gems, if this is sounding like your reading, you're resonating with these dialogue message cards, let's start clarifying these cards. And like I said, bottom of my deck, I did see the strength card. I think there is an empress who's standing up for herself, regained their strength. So before I clarify these cards, gems, I want to start with an angel blessing card. See how my angels can bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. You're a leader. Yes, somebody has picked themselves up and said, I'm not waiting around for somebody else to make a decision. I'm going to pick myself up and deliver myself out of this confusion that's been created in this connection. All right. So let's start clarifying your cards, Gemini. Three of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Three of Swords in reverse. Yes, even though I think this Empress did have a lot of respect for the masculine, they saw them as the kind of person who they looked up to, who was well put together, maybe was good in their finances, work, everything was there, except they always felt that this masculine always kind of played mind games with them. It was always like, it's my way or the highway. Like I see even in this photograph or picture, this person is stealing everybody's swords, and there are two people with their head bent walking away, right? So this is this Empress feels that my person, even though they had the capacity, capability of being that King of Wands, and that's how I admired them, they always played these silly games which always made me feel like a loser because of their rash and immature behavior. Even though this is how this Empress initially saw this Emperor or this King of Wands. So, Six of Swords, Spirit. Yes, I think this Empress is now giving up, has healed themselves, moved out of this conflict, not waiting, moved off for a fresh new beginning for themselves. Left all this trouble behind and moving on to a fresh new start for themselves here. Nine of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. I have a feeling that the communication could still be open, but now that worry and stress has been, I don't think this Empress is now spending any sleepless nights over this connection anymore. They've kind of understood that this has now become stagnant. It's not going to go anywhere. Maybe they've even talked to this King of Wands person that, hey, it's okay. If it's not working, it's not working. Now I think this Empress found out something. I think they found out some secrets, or they spied on this masculine here. They gathered some kind of information, or through communication, something came out where they felt that their masculine is making a fool out of them. So they've decided to let this go, let this toxic relationship, as they feel it, go from their life. Devil in reverse, Spirit. Yes, this person is healing or has healed already. They took some time out. They said, okay, time out. I'm getting out of this connection. I'm going to just be with myself. I'm going to heal myself, my broken heart. I'm not going to stress and worry. I'm going to recover from the feeling that I've been fooled here in this connection. Empress in reverse, Spirit. Empress in reverse. Yes, this Empress is in reverse. I think was looking for a very stable connection, long term, and Empress upright. Okay, so even though they don't want to be the Empress to this masculine now, and they feel I don't want to grow and have abundance or forward movement, at least that's how they felt. But this is what they actually wished for. They actually wished for this, to be the Empress upright to this masculine. They were looking for this long-term stable connection. They wanted things to work out between the two of you. Three of Pentacles. But they were not ready to compromise, I think, with the person who was playing games. Yes, they felt their partner never really invested. They never really put in any work. And I think heart of hearts, they would still like to work things out. Even though, according to this feminine, things have ended, they wouldn't mind, I think, working on it again and see if there is any fresh new beginning here. Am I right, Spirit? They're a bit confused. They're a bit confused. They're looking for their emperor. But I think this masculine is now picking themselves up and being that emperor that, this feminine has been wanting for so long. Because they're showing us up as the Empress, looking for an emperor. And here, there is an emperor here. What's this Emperor, Spirit? What's this Emperor? And the Page of Cups. Yes, this Emperor was not ready at that point. Maybe they were going back and forth in their mind. They were juggling, most probably. Something happened here, and finally when I think this connection came to an end, this was like a tower moment or a wake-up call for this masculine here. Now they are wishing and hoping for things to start moving again. They want the flow of energy to begin again in this connection. I do think they want to bring an apology. Page of Cups, Spirit. Page of Cups. Page of Cups. Yes, they do. They do want to offer a balanced connection now, equal give and take. But they're very stressed out because they are kind of worried that, that this Empress may have their guard up now and they won't be accepted or, trusted or something like that. This masculine is really kind of had a wake-up call. After this, the realization has come of how this connection has totally come to an end. They want to offer this stable new beginning. They want to offer equal give and take. They want to apologize, but are having sleepless nights here, feeling very abandoned, left out in the cold by this Empress now, feeling that, even if they do come, I'm not going to be accepted anymore. So, Five of Pentacles, Spirit. Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. They don't want to be in this place anymore. Yes, they're looking for their wish fulfillment. They want this happiness back in their life. They want to come out of feeling always neglected and sorrowful and sad and lonely now, because now this Empress is no longer giving off their love. They've been feeling very abandoned and left out in the cold. They too want to do this, exactly what this Empress has done, leave the conflict behind, and now they've joined this Empress, I think, to find peace and happiness together. So what's the Strength card, Spirit? What Strength card, the bottom of my deck? Strength card is clarified by the Strength card, Gemini. What can I say? I think whoever's done wrong has to take the lead now. Gather up your courage. Gather up your courage. Be strong and try and bring justice to this equation. If this is done, it can lead to a lot of victory. Lot of victory. But for that, communication is imperative. clear communication. Somebody has to gather up their courage now to bring in this communication, to bring balance and harmony back to this connection. Yes, this could be a very, very strong soulmate connection, or the feeling, of kindred spirits, I don't know what. Yes, this is somebody from your past. Maybe that's the feeling you guys have got when you meet each other, that you've known each other forever, many lifetimes. Yes, somebody does want to return. They do want to come back and balance things out with you again. So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.